So me and my friend Evan have been playing a game called It Takes Two, where two amazing parents divorce to fix their relationship without giving two shits on what it does to their kid. Spin, 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 spin. Beat me up, Scotty. Oh, that's a monkey.
What evil planet are you from?
Your mom's asshole.
Oh.
Get fucked. Oh.
Next time we avoid the lasers.
Wow, what an idea.
Ah.
Don't do full. This is fucked up. Please.
I thought I could pick it up real fast again.
Oh, shoot!
Hootie.
I hate
Okay, I'll stop.
the worst. Actually worse than Joe.
I missed.
You fucking idiot.
Fucking hurry up, man. Slow fucking poke.
We're getting the hang of this.
Don't fall now.
What the fuck?
Bro, you suck.
Bro, I hit that.
Where the fuck did Evan go? Evan has currently disappeared. Since he is gone, y'all can look at my feet. Just waiting. Waiting for Evan. Yo, I farted and that fucking fart stinks. Do 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 Evan, I'm going autistic. Please come back. Oh, I just found two beautiful toxic bitches on my Instagram. Evan, where the fuck are you?
Okay, I'm back.
Where'd you go?
I said I'd be right back.
I missed. I missed. How the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? I don't think that's how it was supposed to work.
I don't think you were supposed to be small.
You gotta admit, that was pretty good though.
I'm gonna finish this chapter tonight.
Oh. I don't want to talk about it. I never signed up for this, Evan. I don't like this. Oh god.
Yeah? Oh, you can't jump, can you?
No, I can only roll. Oh. Whoa, this monkey's got a whole like computer setup watching us. So does it see us fuck?
What? No, that can't be right. I mean, she laughs at least a few times every day.
No.
We have been arguing a lot recently.
Good.
Yeah? Okay.
Ruin her childhood.
Don't shoot at me. You fucker. Oh man, oh man, no. Oh man, no. Help. 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 Help.
Come on, Cody, do something!
Am I supposed to do something? What am I supposed to do? Oh, there's a button over here. Whoa, don't make him follow me. Hey, you asshole.
I need to bring him back. I need to bring him back around to you.
Have fun. Ow, what the fuck? That's unfair. I'll save you. No, stop following.
do I control this?
Stop. Leave me alone. Yeah, fuck you.
It's
I'm
inverted, by
after
the
you,
way.
Hex. Oh, you said inverted?
Yeah, it's inverted controls. Donovan, just fucking go.
Oh, I'm supposed to go on in. No, Evan, you'll be fine. Evan, it's okay.
It's not. It's just
Everything's
simply
fine.
not.
Everything's fine.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
I won't lose to the dark side.
That's the Darth Vader line.
Oh my god. Help. Donovan.
It's okay. Everything's fine. Gah!
And okay.
I found something.
Oh, yes.
Use it.
Don't touch anything you shouldn't.
I'm touching.
Trust me.
How do we get back to Rose?
I can't let you harm her.
Then suck
Her
my
best
dick.
friend. To promise you won't make her cry.
Yeah. We
I'll
promise.
make her cry.
Whatever happens, I'll always be her best friend.
I'm gonna make her cry, Evan. I'm gonna make her cry. I want those salty tears to come out of those eyeballs. That way she cries.